In this video, we'll show you how to install the WireCrafters self-closing hydraulic slide door closer. The door must be level, it must have the correct sweep clearance, and it must move smoothly along the track. Mark the door roller track and the slide door at the desired through-hole locations. When measuring the bottom location of the door roller track, always measure from the top of the slide door track, not from the slide door panel. Once marked, drill 3/8" through holes at each location. We recommend drilling pilot holes first for accuracy. Install two 3/8" by 1" hex head cap screws and secure them using 3/8" hex nuts. Make sure the hydraulic door connector is positioned furthest away from the latch side of the door. Place the hydraulic door closer onto the slide door track and mark the mounting hole locations, including the middle holes on each end of the closer body. Center punch each marked location. Drill 5/16" diameter holes at the center punch marks to accept the 1/4" Phillips screws. Do not drill with the hydraulic closer in place. Before mounting the hydraulic door closer, install the provided shim. With the shim in place, mount the hydraulic door closer to the slide door track using the 1/4" Phillips screws, 1/4" flat washers, and 1/4" lock nuts. Install the connector arm into the door roller track. You may need to slightly rotate the actuator's connection extrusion on the side opposite the arm to align the components. To adjust the closing speed, turning either the L or S adjustment clockwise will reduce the closing speed. Turning either adjustment counterclockwise will increase the closing speed. We recommend starting with a slower closing speed, then increasing it gradually. This helps prevent damage to other parts of the slide door assembly. This completes the installation of the WireCrafters self-closing hydraulic slide door closer.